Well, it's been a real pleasure taking part in the VIGOR project. I think we set off with a lot of big ambitions, and most of those have been realised. I think it's really encouraging to see how the various disciplines have worked together. People who initially didn't understand each other's languages at all, working together, understanding and building on that in a way that's allowed us to create numerous publications, but most important, a new direction that should make quite an important difference to our ability to interpret our investigations, help patients and improve the care of Crohn's disease in particular in the long run. It would be a mistake to think that we've solved all the problems. It's still quite a complicated business at the moment, and clearly we've only got to the stage of a very good prototype. But I see within that the seeds of further development, and it's important that we don't lose the plot at this stage, but continue and build on what's already been done. Because I think if we can get that right, we could find our way to a very user-friendly approach to MR scanning in patients with Crohn's that helps us in our day-to-day evaluation. It could also make things very much simpler and more straightforward, in particular for the non-expert centres, where they don't have the expertise of a tertiary referral centre in a big international teaching centre. And I think that could be the area where all of this has the biggest impact in terms of really being able to interpret the investigations in a very cohesive way that translates naturally into improved patient care.
I'm very happy with today's result in the sense that we've really seen the project outcome working. Like a radiologist doing a few things, and then immediately a new score came out of the bowel disease severity. So it all worked as it should. Not demo effect, no viruses. It worked, and lots of discussions. Good recommendations of people, so I'm really happy with the outcome, so to speak. I think that we need to take a few steps to really make a commercial product out of it, so that it's really practically useful by physicians in peripheral hospitals. What we have shown, I believe, is that the methods really work. And that they are better than existing techniques. Thus far, results are primarily scientific, and now the step has to be made from prototype to a real useful application. And I'm confident that we can do that in the near future.